Hello friends, today we shall discuss exercise 8.5 question number 4. Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter cloth for her shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her trouser. Find the total length of cloth bought by her. Right? We'll solve the problem in this way. Cloth bought for her shirt is equal to 3 meter 20 centimeter. 3 meter 20 centimeter. Right? And cloth bought for her trouser and cloth bought for her trouser. Trouser is equal to 2 meter 5 centimeter. 2 meter 5 centimeter. Right? This is the addition problem. That means you have to add these numbers. But before that, you have to change into the same unit. Right? That is 3 meter and 20 centimeter. You have to change it into meter. Right? How will you change it into meter? Let us change this as meter. 3 meter 20 centimeter can be written as 3 meter plus 3 meter plus 20 centimeter. Right? And we know that 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Right? Therefore, it can be written as 3 meter plus 20 by 100 meter. Right? That is equal to 3 meter plus 0 point plus 0.20 meter. 0.20 meter. meter. Right? That means we are getting 3.20 meter. meter. If you change 2 meter 5 centimeter into meter, that can be also written as 2 meter plus 5 centimeter 5 centimeter. Right? This is cm centimeter. Now you can write 2 meter. Centimeter can be changed into meter by dividing it by 100, because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter by 100 meter. Right? Therefore, it is equal to 2 meter plus 0.05 meter, and that is equal to 2.05 meter. That means you have to add this number with this number. Okay, now we'll add the numbers. The numbers is The number is 3.20 meter. Here we are adding 3.20 3.20 meter and 2.05 and 2.05 and 2.05 meter. If you add the numbers, what are you getting? If we add the numbers, then what you are getting? This is 5, this is 2 point, and 3 plus 2 is 5, 5.25 meter. So what was the question? They find the total length of cloth bought by her. Therefore, the total length of cloth bought by her is 5.25 meter. 5.25 5.2 right here you see that is okay. That means the total length of cloth bought by her is 5.25 meter, right? That is 5.25 meter. This is point. Okay. In this way you can change, or you can directly write in this form also. The 3 meter and 20 centimeter, 3 meter and 20 centimeter. We know that 1 meter equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. That means it can be changed into 3 meter 20 centimeter as 3.20. You can directly write also 3.20 meter, and 2 meter 5 centimeter is 2 meter 505 meter. You can directly write also, but we have shown here how to convert the numbers, that is how to convert centimeter to meter. This is the way you can add, right?